Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to look out Telegram account from all devices you have logged into at once. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my mobile phone, and after that we're going to go to the Telegram setting. You can click on the three lines on the top left and then select the settings right here. And in the settings, we need to go to the devices. And if you want to log out your Telegram account from all devices, you can click on terminate all other sessions and then just click on terminate. And after that, your Telegram account will be logged out from all devices you have logged into automatically at once. Alright guys, and that's all the way to log out Telegram account from all devices. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.